So here's a picture of the Purple Martin house and the pole that we are planning to install. Today we'll do the cement work, and next week we will put up the rest of the pole and the house.
It's easy not to use it.
Okay, we're on camera.
That's good there.
Oh. So you're seeing a work in progress here. We're putting in a Purple Martin tower, and our wonderful helpers here, Brian and Oscar, they had to pull out a cement footing that was there before because there was a Purple Martin tower there years ago, and we're trying to figure out. There's some water down there, and so we got to get the footing right.
The next step is to mix the concrete. Then we're going to set the pole and get the concrete up to this mark on the post.
Which we adjusted, right?
And
Yeah.
then we just have to wait for it to set, and then you can put the remaining other pieces that go up probably about 12 feet, 10 feet, I don't know.
So the reason we need it to be like 10, 12 feet high is because the Purple Martins, they're aerial insectivores. They eat on the wing and they live up high, and they also nest up high. So the gourd towers and the housing has to be tall enough, and also to protect them from predators. And they like it like that.
Don't breathe this stuff. Try not to breathe it. It's not good for you.
I mean, that's too bad.
Too bad to start with, yeah. Okay, stop for now. First layer to go in to be kind of almost like you can pour it, because we're going to have to put it inside the post as well. Just roll it over by the hole. Bring it to a wheelbarrow. Okay, so I'm going to just put
I use these.
I'm going to put about this much in the bottom. Make a layer, then I'm going to put the post in. Oh, geez. Okay. We'll get that cleaned up. Not yet. We got to get all this soaked up pretty good first. Yeah, okay, yeah, more water. Just put it right in this hole here. We'll keep going.
Yeah?
Yeah, more. Okay. Okay. Come on.
Yeah.
A little closer.
Make sure it doesn't tip.
A little closer. Stop. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, now slowly go. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah.
Right?
Both ways, always.
Yeah, I guess you
But first, are you okay with the depth there?
Yeah.
The small one? Yeah.
Get it level in both directions.
It's level that way.
But we have to fill it up in the center with concrete too, so we can fine tune the leveling later.
You have more experience than I with this cement.
No, just one. Just one. That's looking good. So
now we need to make a hill,
well,
so
no,
that the water drains away from the base.
right.
So you make like
But this concrete is going to be, if we're gonna, this concrete is going to be covered with this, just like the other one.
Okay,
So the hill thing,
all right.
no way. Because, I mean, it makes it another bag. Where did I put that
Getting what?
short level? Okay, you want to look? It's perfectly level that way. You see the bubble in the middle of the top one, or the bottom one.
Yeah, I think that's
Okay,
good that way.
that's good that way. So now this way
Off.
is very hard to see because
It's
of
off.
the
It's
sun,
the bubbles over here.
but I have to go this way.
Yeah. More. Yeah, more. See, it's not.
No, I think you have to go in the other direction.
What makes this? What makes the bubble go?
Yeah, you're right.
Oh,
You're
Go
right.
in the other direction.
There you
Yeah,
go.
there you go.
Woo. Okay. Keep going.
Where are we?
Keep going. I can do either day. Yeah. It's a really good website. Really enjoy it. It'll make you really want to.
I'm crazy, but I would have said you put the level on the top, right?
I can see. When
Do
you
you
said that, I
see?
was but then it was stick to the cement that's there. But yeah, I had the same thought, but I.
Was never in it. So here's the bolt for the pulley. Here's the washers and the lock nut.
Make note of where the washers are.
Hold on a second.
So now we figured out a clever way
Here, there's one there.
to have the perches on the top and be able to finish the job. We just hung it off the steps.
Okay, set screw, please.
I feel like the surgeon's assistant.
I know, we're in the operating room, huh?
So here were the instructions, just to give you a sense of how complicated they were.
You know, this is
It'll do the job.
crucial
It's not
where
gonna
these
go
things
anywhere.
go, and they're not really clear. This goes on the same side as the
So we
pulley.
need to put this
you know,
other
like
one
that.
on. It's this one above
So
that,
I
right?
was just pausing, but then it says.
And then
once
we derived from a
tightened,
picture,
place
this
the
faces
second
down, we
cable
originally had
frame
it up.
just
So
below
we found the
first
picture
and
of it.
repeat. Please be sure everything is nice and tight. So there's a picture here, Brian, right there?
Yep. This is gonna look like that in just a minute here.
Okay, I trust you.
Looks like you made a lot of progress, though.
He did.
It's tremendous, I mean,
I don't
it's,
think it'll
They
take
get,
more
yeah,
than
it's a team
I
effort.
mean,
6 or 7
it
days.
takes like all of us
We're
to
all
kind of
reading and
figure, it
interpreting
takes
the
all of us to
directions.
figure out what this is saying, you
everyone's
know?
made a
You got like 5
contribution.
people going,
It's a community
Brian,
effort.
please smile for
Yeah.
Teresa.
So what are you doing now?
This is a clamp that holds the cable so it doesn't get away. I can't always forget how, there we go. So
By the way, there's a good, it's easier to see. this
we're making a loop.
illustration.
I don't know where this loop goes on something.
Look at this, Brian. But
Yeah.
It's easier to see. These are in color and somehow just a lot
Oh yeah.
easier
Where
to
did
see.
that come from?
Teresa just brought this. It's just like a better, it's just like a better,
Oh, you
Oh,
were
if
trying
we
to do
had
it
it
with
sooner.
black and white?
yeah, it's just
Yeah.
hard to see like
Yeah.
the stuff. We
This
could
is
not
so much
figure it.
better.
Yeah. So,
Were there actually instructions in here? Or did
Yeah.
David-
I think they were in the box as well, weren't they? I think. As I recall.
Well, Peggy, you had emailed me a PDF.
Yeah. And you just printed it.
Yeah. But I also emailed it to,
Yeah.
texted
but I
it to
guess-
Brian, but I guess Brian had a black
I
and
guess we
white
just
print.
printed
Yeah.
it black and white and just didn't come out as legible.
And what about putting together the houses?
Oh, we haven't
That
gotten
looked
there yet.
complicated.
Oh, God.
We don't have to do that.
We're just gonna
They're
look
already
at-
together.
Are they? Well,
Well,
doesn't look like that.
They are, but. Obviously has something to do with
Those are-
this further. Oh, you know what, we could be doing this because we can pull these. Yeah. Let's try putting these together. It looks like there's,
What's in here? What's box?
there's 3 boxes of them. There's more than one. This is
Yeah.
like one of
These look heavy. God, there's like 4 of them.
tray. We would want the 3 holes drilled in it, right?
Real tight. I'm going to. I want something to hold it.
Bring the 2 sides together.
That has its own set of instructions.
Yes. Yeah.
I have no idea.
Okay,
Oh, that must be, is there a baffle?
we're done with that part.
Okay, I'm ready to read the next one.
Figure out what's going on next.
Yep, everything is nice and tight. Next, here we go. Step 17. Run the cable with the cable stop on it down the pole towards your installed winch.
This is the stopping right here. So,
Here.
Run the cable with the cable stop on it down the pole towards your installed winch. Rotate the winch drum until you see a slot on the opposite side of the handle. This is where you will need to insert the cable stop. Using the photos as a guide, notice how the cable runs to the back side of the winch, and then you bring it up and over the drum. Then insert the stop into the slotted hole. tension on the cable.
On the opposite side of the handle. We don't have a handle. This is where you'll need to insert. So see, it's winding around. Everything's good. So keep tension on it. Yeah. Okay. So does it say how many turns? Do I have to wrap this around a lot or just stop there? I'm at the point where I've stuck it in the slot and okay.
Rotate the winch drum until you see a slot
Mhm.
on
Until-
the opposite side of
It says
the
do it
handle.
until the slack is gone.
This is where
And it says to do this until it stops?
Until all the slack is gone and you have a little tension on the cable.
Well, that's interesting. Okay.
what was so weird when we were driving out here today, you could see the fog coming in.
Oh yeah.
Wow, that was really
You're still.
yeah, it was so hot. The ladies and ladies here. It was not clear.
Too bad I didn't get it.
I want to know why you raise and lower them.
Because you have to monitor, you have to see if any predators or any, not predators, but other species of birds come in and displace the nests. So you got to get them out. So you have to check the eggs once in a while.
Okay, that's what. Yeah,
Invasive,
I've never heard. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, I forget what they're called, but you know,
Mhm.
invasive species. Kill the adults even.
That looks great.
Mm-hmm.
And it's straight.
Are those real or fake?
Yeah, no, it's real
Totally
tiny. That's
dump
why
on
we're
the
just having the
house
last. Some pine needles.
So those white things with the screws in them over here,
Yeah.
those are for mounting the houses.
Okay.
These are the house mount. Oh, anyway, can't say it. And I don't know what this is for. These screws are for the mountings.
And that goes
And
in
this
the
is
fill.
going to go over here, and it's gonna be great.
Use it now.
Here, I'll get it. Let me get it. And
Oh,
just
you know,
Okay.
I'm still dumbfounded about what that
Okay, it says begin by getting 4 of the carriage bolts. These are the carriage bolts. We need 4 of these.
When you lower them,
You want to open those? Yeah, get 4 of those. On the back side of each of the 4 unit houses, you will see a rail to the left and right with holes on the top and the bottoms of the rails. Okay. Insert a carriage bolt so that the flat head of the carriage bolt is inside the rail.
wow.
is there.
I'm missing the boat. I don't understand how these attach to the pole.
No small matter.
They go in here.
Oh yeah, we will. I didn't know if we had to put them in now. Yeah, I mean, do they have to?
I don't know. Ready? Mm-hmm. Let's get these out of the way. Okay. Enough of the comic relief for now. Let's.
Here's another.
You go over here.
Okay, so
you're gonna help when we start to lower it.
reverse
We're
Iwo
gonna
Jima.
go straight up.
You just wrote
We got to go up like 4 feet. We got to go 4 feet up.
Okay.
It's coming. It's gonna go really slow. Okay, be careful. Be careful. It's up. It's up. No. want to just move it, put it on the ground. A little bit. On the ground. On the ground. Watch your toes. Yep. Now, we're going to walk it down just like a ladder.
Okay, I'm holding it down.
Okay, that's great. You can let go now. I've got it. Give me the weight. Yeah, I got it. I got it. Okay. So now, hold this a second. You can
Put it back
rest
in.
this on the ground. You just
Right.
need to keep that end up.
Yeah,
Hit it. Rotate it. One more turn.
one more time.
Yep. I want this up. Okay, there we go. Okay, okay. Now, let's all get a hold of this. I'm going to hold, we're going to go straight up. Straight up. Straight up. Over. Just a second. Watch your feet. Watch your feet. Almost there. There we go.
Ta-da! But I mean, how does the house attach to the
There's a chain.
Chain, and there's a hook.
Chain that
There's a hook onto the bottom.
Yeah, we have to look where
Yeah.
Oh, I know. I bet you
it attaches to this.
this attaches to the side. No, but there's no.
No, that attaches to the bottom of that house.
This stuff?
That house.
That has?
Oh,
That'll
so
the next step.
houses have-
The bottom though? That must be the top.
No,
Has
it's the
to be-
bottom.
But how do you...
Well, maybe it's this
Well,
house.
we'll
Why
see.
would the small house be pulling up the big houses?
I'm just
I
trying to.
don't see it.
Oh, that's it.
I don't see it either. Intuitively, I think it's something on top of the big houses.
Yeah, it seems like it should be.
Must be the top.
So those are just held on by, what's holding the big houses up?
The carriage bolts.
They're
It's
bound
bolted.
together.
They're all four
Yeah.
kind of bolting
Right.
around the
right,
square
okay.
pole.
So the bungee was temporary.
Oh,
Oh.
wait, we have one more nest. Oh, he's got it.
No, we got, yeah. I thought we were short.
That's
and I
good.
realized that's-
My hands aren't working. You know what I
It's
mean?
okay, it's okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
you got the thing on the hook on the.
Yep.
The cable's
Yep,
on
yep.
the on the hook.
Yep. So you want
Where's
to
the
test
grill?
it?
Grill.
Yeah. Hold on, wait.
Ready? There we go. Look, there's two on there already.
Oh, we got to take that pin out.
Oh, the pin, right. Got it
Wait,
down
wait,
again.
wait.
Oh, yeah, the pin. That was close.
Wait, now, Brian, when you made it go down, did you press it differently than when you make it go up?
Yes.
What do you
There's
show?
a thing. Remember, I showed you it goes
Yeah.
reverse.
Yeah.
So this is to
Right.
make it go up.
And then when you want it to go down, you have to press that in. Got it.
Wait a second. Well, let's
Okay.
do a prayer first.
Wait, we should get, let's get a picture.
Are you ready?
Everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Before we raise.
Wait, okay.
Yeah, wait, we need to.
Go ahead, I'll take the picture.
Who would ever figure it out? I don't.
It's working
Yeah,
great.
that the thing is temporary, that you take it out. We couldn't figure out what, what side it goes on. Beautiful.
You put
Does
the
that have
handle?
to go back?
This is not gripping like it should.
So put the handle here.
There is no handle.
There is no handle. This is what came.
No use no more is.
We don't need that
that's-
anymore.
That's
Need
the
it
safety pin.
temporarily.
It's here.
okay.
Do you want to try it? Yeah.
It's working.
It's going.
It's going.
It's going up.
Oh!
Beautiful.
just tell me when to stop.
How far up should it go?
You can put it up. It's totally up to you, really.
If you attract them a bit higher than
Higher the better. So just don't let me
All the way up.
bang it too high.
Oh my God, beautiful.
Yeah, keep going all the way to the top.
5, 4, 3, 2. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Stop, 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 stop.
Okay,
That's it.
there you go.
I think I hit that. I'm gonna crank it down a couple inches. I think.
Yeah.
Did it hit the top?
No,
Brian, I think there's something, you know those things we said, what are those sticks?
yeah.
David said there's something that you don't bend under it like Brian is doing, because just in case.
Oh, the
You don't
sticks
wanna be
probably go
under-
in that
no.
top thing.
No,
but-
I think they go into where you're drilling, so that instead of standing under it when you're drilling, you're standing here and turning it. So that God forbid something happens, you're not under there.
Right.
Oh,
So can I just get them?
Yeah.
So, I think that's right. Get them to stay together. Is that how it works?
Let me see. I'm not familiar. So they actually,
I think they untwist. Peggy, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Look, thank you.
Thank
Okay.
you, lady.
Bye. I think they untwist, you know, maybe. I'll figure it out. Don't worry.
oh, see,
don't
this
worry.
this is how you take them apart. Pull on that. See how that moves? Now
Yeah.
you take it apart.
Ah,
You stick it in.
Thank you.
Thank
Now it's,
beautiful.
then it'll lock in place.
Oh, that's great.
So,
What? No.
good work.
Say that. Fantastico is right.
Fantastico, sí.
Yeah, it's great. It's
I
really
could never
super.
have ever done that.
No, we would have been here till Thursday. I mean, never. Never.
There's so many details.
Oh my God, it was
And even
incredible.
after the fact, they don't think that's
really, really straight too.
Yeah, no, it's,
I put the level on it and it's still,
and it's still straight in spite
straight.
of the level.
Yeah.